What's up everyone, my name is Mixky and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this very bold, very out there, very simple yet effective, I guess. This is a eyeliner with a bold red lip. This makeup tells you who the boss is, so I look like the CEO of literally every company ever. That's what I'm going for. This look is obviously extremely bold and unapologetic. It's just a simple eyeliner and a red lip with a pair of lashes. So if you guys want to see how I created this very simply bold look, keep on watching. Hi, how are ya? Today
Oh, no, 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 no.
We are doing a very simple look today. I love these contacts. They're very harsh, vibrant, and not natural. Love that. Last night I had a great night's sleep. I dreamed about Jeffree Star. Apparently he came to my country and he was lost. And I was like, bitch, I know you the fuck. He's at my company, something in this city. I was like, oh bitch, yeah, work. And then I became his translator. What I'm gonna do is conceal these and then powder them excessively. Literally after 2 days of quarantine, all my snacks were gone. And I know who to blame. I'm gonna powder with a setting powder. I'm gonna do eyebrows, yes. I've seen a lot of beauty influencers where they go, oh, we're gonna like soften the eyebrows because I like our eyelids are gonna be in the spotlight. I don't care, bitch. If I want dark, thick eyebrows, I will have them. Ew. Oh, if you want to watch a video of me setting this up, I'll link it down below, or maybe even put it here if I know how to. I'll learn. So, I lost all the footage of me putting the lights up on my closet. So, no video for that. Sorry. I don't know where they went, but I can't find them anywhere, so I can't really do a video on how I put the lights up on my closet. Sorry. So I'm sure you guys are waiting for the trick. I mean, it's not really much of a trick. I guess it is, because like not everyone does it. So yeah, let's just call it a trick. It'll make sense when I get there. Okay, we're there. We're gonna do the eyeliner now. I'm gonna use this gray color. I call it the blueprint eyeliner. So I'm gonna explain what I do to draw perfect eyeliner. Even I myself did not understand what I was saying in the video, so I'm voice overing it. So what we're gonna do is choose your favorite shade of gray that you can easily erase from your face. We're not choosing the eyeliner color, we're just choosing a gray, which will apply as a rough draft. This tutorial is mainly for people who have hooded eyes like me. So when you close your eyes, your eyeliner looks perfect, but when you open your eyes, they go wow. If your eyelids are not hooded, you can still follow this tutorial. It will make your life easier. What I'm doing is I'm looking for a girlfriend. And I'm looking for a girlfriend. So I'm looking straight ahead at the mirror. So I'm not looking down like this. I'm not closing my eyes. I'm not pulling my skin. Don't. I don't care. I'll do whatever the f. Yeah, you say that. 50-year-old you would be like, I wish I didn't pull my skin when I was doing eyeliner every single day. Whoa, bitch, listen. So we're using, I'm so aggressive.
Yes.
So we're using the gray color. We're gonna dot here. I'm gonna start here.
Hi, sisters.
Then I'm gonna draw a line that is following my bottom lash line. So imagine you have a line here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line, but looking straight ahead. I'm not doing like this. So this is what I have currently. So I'm gonna extend it, but like barely touching the skin. Now I'm gonna connect it. We're gonna put black and extend it a bit. By a bit, I mean a lot. This is what I have so far. If I relax my eyelids, it looks different, but when I open my eyes, it's an eyeliner. I like how it's looking. Bam! Bam! I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'm gonna follow the outline. The choice of utensil is up to you. For me personally, I prefer using a very tiny brush with a pointed tip rather than an angle brush, but if you're more comfortable with using angle brush, use that. You can use anything. You can use eyeliner gel, eyeliner pen, eyeliner pencil, anything your heart desires, because all we're doing is filling in the line. So nothing difficult here. At this point, you have two decisions. You could draw this to the other eye and be done with it. But if you're me, I'm gonna make it bigger. Do it at your own risk. So I knew that I'm going to wear a really big false lash, and I know that wearing false lashes means it's going to cover up the eyeliner, which is the most important part of this makeup. That's why I'm making it bigger. As you can see, I drew the eyeliner a lot longer than the actual rough draft that we put down. So the rough draft is for you to learn to create a perfect eyeliner. Now the eyeliner that I have currently is how I like it. But of course, if you want to have your eyeliner look like that, you can do what I'm doing. Extending from the original rough draft, we're not making it any different. We're literally only making the rough draft longer and thicker. We're not making much of a difference. Remember, I am still following the outline that I already have down. It's just this line's a little thinner. I was gonna tell you guys about the rules of eyeliner, and I'm already breaking the first important one. Never fix your eyeliner. You'll end up with huge Amy Winehouse eyeliners. Trust me, do not fix them. I was one of the luckiest people to fix it and still look even. Now I'm gonna put on false lashes. I love this mascara because it has two different wands and one. You can use the smaller one for your bottom lashes and the big one for your top lashes. I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick from MAC called Feels So Grand. I'm gonna put on highlighter. For the highlighter, should I use this pink? For the highlighter, I ended up using that same pink shade that I was talking about from the Juvia's Place palette in the shade Oh Sun. It doesn't show as pink as I thought it would. But I mean, it's definitely pretty. My skin's glowy. Not because I use great skincare, it's just because my face is, majority of the time, is oily. Unless it's like really cold. I'm gonna use the same pink highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes, as well as on the tip of my nose, the top of my nose bridge, brow bone, and cupid's bow. Yeah, I think we're done with the makeup look. The highlighter completed the look. First, I thought the lip was like too bold with the eyeliner, but no, they look great. It's the end of the video. So happy, I look great. Also, don't forget to check out the video where I'll be decorating my closet with those fairy lights. It's extremely simple. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. If you like the video and you want to see more, subscribe. And even turn on the notification bell, so you know when I so you guys know when I upload the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!